marijuana stocks could see a big push as more states start to legalize cannabis. 2020 was supposed to be a huge year for marijuana stocks and the cannabis market. But the advent of the coronavirus has taken a huge toll on the entire cannabis industry. With 2020 as an election year, there could be some big news for certain pot stocks to watch, and the marijuana industry as a whole. Investors in the cannabis industry know that there have been some rough times in the past 3 weeks. But these rough times have been embarked by days with massive gains. Because of this, it is extremely clear that there is a lot of fear in the industry. The hopes are that this fear will begin to dissipate with time, but for now, it remains up in the air. As far as the future is concerned, it seems as though the cannabis market is more dependent on legislation than ever before. Which states could legalize cannabis this year? Despite the current situation we are in the cannabis industry, there are as many as 9 states who have reportedly been working to legalize marijuana. Those states include Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, Idaho, Mississippi, Nebraska, New Jersey, Virginia, and South Dakota. Of course, this is a long list, and it is changing every time new information emerges. But it does seem clear that there is a lot of interest from around the US in seeing the cannabis market grow this year. Although it remains unclear as to whether or not these states will legalize cannabis recreationally, the fact that there is an interest shows positivity for the cannabis market. What will change for marijuana stocks? There is a long list of factors that would change for marijuana stocks if these states were to legalize cannabis this year. The largest benefit seems to be in regard to multi-state operator pot stocks. These companies work by owning dispensaries and selling cannabis to consumers. Many have stated that having a broad reach across the US is one of the most important factors for them to grow. Because of this, MSO pot stocks might see the largest benefit in the aforementioned states were to legalize cannabis. For now, however, it seems as though we should be focused on the present. As the coronavirus continues to take its toll, it is difficult to tell what will happen next month or even next week. But with all this talk of legalization in the air, it seems as though the cannabis market has a great chance at future success.